Hi and welcome to PC Solutions TV. Today I'm going to explain to you what it is we actually do with the health check on your computer or laptop. The first thing that we do is that we remove all the temporary files. Now Windows is a bit like a teenager, it's untidy. It throws everything everywhere and then when it needs it, it can't find it. So we get rid of all the junk and that's the first step towards helping the machine run a lot faster. The next thing we do is we look at the registry. Now the registry is the core of Windows. It tells Windows where programs are, how to use them, how to operate, etc. And again, just through normal usage, that can become very cluttered, very disorganized. So we check the registry and sort any errors there. The next step is perhaps the most intensive, where we thoroughly check the system for any viruses, any malware. And to do that, we run your system through 4 different pieces of very technical software looking at the digital fingerprints of every file, and it's only after we've run these 4 very lengthy processes can we be 100% sure that there's no viruses or malware there. The engineer will then check the physical integrity of the disk, make sure there's no bad clusters on it. If there are, we'll move the data and mark them as bad so Windows doesn't use it. We then go on to optimize the hard disk, and what this means is that we write all of the bits of a file sequentially. Windows just uses the scattergun approach and just sprays bits of a file all over your hard disk. We take the time to write them all sequentially, and this results in significantly improved disk access time. We'll then look at any outstanding Windows updates, apply all of those. The next thing to do is look at the memory. We'll examine the number of concurrent processes running, and on average this should be somewhere between 40 to 60 depending on your installed software. It's not uncommon for machines to come with over 100 processes running, and this can dramatically slow your machine down, so we look at everything we can do to improve and optimize that. We then look at the memory usage. Some programs don't need to be called on startup, we can delay that. We'll look at how much memory you have in there, and when you pick your machine up, we'll make recommendations to you. Finally, we look at the physical condition of the desktop or the laptop. We jet all the cooling and venting fins to make sure it's clean, and we'll give the screen a scrub up and a polish. Now, just to give you an idea, this whole process takes between 6 to 7 hours, and that's why we say our target time for health check is 72 hours. If you've got any questions, ask the engineer when you collect your machine or give us a call beforehand. Thanks for watching.